First step is you're going to remove the rubber nut, so take off the L bracket from the main bracket. Step 2, you remove the lock pins from the bracket. Put the bracket arm in the upright position. Step 3, grab your leveling bar and place it down on the ground, making sure that the foam piece is face down. Utilize your Allen key to secure both brackets to the leveling bar at the base of the bracket down here. Fold down the brackets again. Place logo side down to the left. You'll need a bit of leverage here, so we got a couple books. Line up the brackets with the pre-drilled holes and screw them in. Open up the long arm. You're going to grab the bar top piece. On the edges, one side is slightly rounded and one side is slightly sharper. Put the sharper side towards you. Place it on a flat, elevated surface. Downside on top of the bar top. The important thing is that the backsplash and the bar top line up perfectly. Make sure the back of the bar top is against the location plate. Next, grab the L bracket, take the foam pad to the bottom of the L bracket. Reattach the L bracket to the main bracket. Insert L bracket in the little divot. Reattach the rubber nut. Now you've finished your assembly, now it's time to install it. For the most stabilized position, line up the middle of the bar with one vertical post. Insert your lock pin. Allen key through your leveling bar until the bar top is at 90 degrees. Finally, you take your fastening strap and fasten it around the leveling bar. Thumbs up.